this video, you see the title of this video is 5 ideas for making faceless video. There are a lot of more. I can give you 10, 20 things like that, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna give you an idea, at least 5 ideas how you can create a faceless video for your channel. So if you are camera shy or you don't want to talk in front of camera, you can still create a content, what people call faceless video, that you don't need to show your face. So just a video. All right, so the first is a storytelling videos. Storytelling videos is like you create a videos that tell stories or share personal experiences without showing your face. All right, so as you see on my screen, I got this video into other apps, which is in video AI. You can create it for free, and you can also pay it for monthly subscription, but I'm not really sure how much is it. But you can go ahead, guys, in video AI, then you can create this faceless video like storytelling, something like this. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna play this one, guys, just to give you an idea or how it goes, this storytelling thing. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna play this.
The Tam Luang cave system in Thailand is a place of mystery and beauty. It's a network of caves and tunnels that stretch for kilometers underground. In June 2018, 12 young boys from a local soccer team, known as the Wild Boars, decided to explore the cave with their coach.
You see, guys, they're showing you the place while this voiceover telling the story about these 3 boys. And you see, guys, in my video, it's in Video with Maria, and there is a story block. So I'm just using this for free for the sake of this tutorial. But if you really want to create a lot of video for your channel just for faceless video, I think my advice is to get a subscription so that you can get no watermark or things like that. All right, so let's continue.
They were looking for an adventure, but they got more than they bargained for. The monsoon season had arrived early that year, and heavy rains had started to fall. As the boys ventured deeper into the cave, the water levels began to rise rapidly. They soon realized they were trapped. The entrance to the cave was flooded, and there was no way out.
You see, guys, how the story goes. It goes like, what's gonna happen with them, because these boys trapped inside of the cave. So even though you're not showing your face, this narrator or the storyteller making this story like thrill, or there's an excitement of the story. People are waiting on what's going to happen into these boys inside the cave, right? This is just only an example, guys, but you can still create your own story, but just let the InVideo, that apps, that AI, to what kind of story that you want to create, right? So the next is the visual story collage. So as you see on my screen, in Sanok, Bangkok, I think that was 2019 when I went to Bangkok, you can compile a series of images, video clips, and text overlays to narrate the story. So you go to your pictures. All right, like this one too, I took short clips of video so I can play with this and then while narrating.
Yes, this is where are we now, in Sanok, Bangkok. Look at that, guys. We're going out today and scroll over the island. This place is where we stay, and we are in the lobby waiting for the service.
Alright, just like that, guys, you took a video and then show it. It's a faceless, right? You're just showing the place where you want to share to your viewers. So this place is in Bangkok, and this is me on the bridge there in Bangkok. So yeah, that is Bangkok. So show all the pictures, take pictures when you're going travel, and so that's one idea that you can share to create your videos. So the number 3 ideas, guys, is the podcast style story. So you can create a video that features a voiceover telling a story while displaying relevant visuals such as stock footage, illustration, and you can use Canva for getting those footage if you want to. I'm going to show you guys. So if you go to Canva, let's say you're creating a footage for those videos. Here guys, on the videos on the left side, you can click this one, and like for example, your niche is all about fitness, you can just type fitness there, and then all the videos, the visuals that you want to use for your faceless video are all here. Or you can choose this one, like this one. What you're gonna do is just to, you know, expand this, just drag this one, and you can now start narrating this one with your voiceover. Or if you don't want to do your own voiceover, there is another way that you can do that. All you're gonna do is just to go to 11 loves. All right, let's go. I'm gonna show you guys 11 loves. Let's go to 11 loves and get this text to speech. It's also free. You can sign in for free, you can create an account for free, and you can just get started here. Click this one, and then here you're going to click the text to speech, and then what you're gonna do is just to paste here the narration or the story that you want to narrate into your visuals or into your videos. So you can find the narrators over here. There are so many narrators. You can you know, test the voices like this.
Excellence is not a skill, it is an attitude. If you smile when no...
All right, so there are so many voice over there that you can choose from. Play with it guys, and then just paste the what do you call this, the script for your visuals, for your videos, and create that podcast. Hold on, where is that? So here is the sample.
Just glued to their video game.
Oh, yeah.
You ask them to turn it off.
Yeah.
Meltdown City.
Yeah.
Been there.
Oh, yeah. Many of us, I think, are pretty familiar with that scene.
I know I have, that's for sure.
For sure.
So today we're going to do a deep dive into what's called anti-dopamine parenting.
Okay. All right. So that's how you can create your own podcast style story using Canva, using 11 Loves. If you don't want to use your voice to narrate the script, then you can go ahead. I just got all of these visuals of footage inside of Canva. Well, based on the topic that you want to talk about. So in this topic, I want to talk about anti-dopamine parenting. So I went to Canva and get all those visuals. Okay, so try with that guys. So next, let's go to number 4 ideas. Right, so number 4 ideas guys is a slideshow story. Like you see on my screen, you can also go again to Canva, use a slideshow format to tell a story. You can combine text, images, and background music here inside of Canva. Like for example, if you are on okay, I'm gonna use the same thing, which is go to the videos, and let's see this fitness. So go get this one. You can combine the videos, then you can add aside from fitness or videos, then you can go to elements, and you can see like fitness photos or images. Just go to photos, and you will see here some of the photos. Then what you're gonna do is just to combine photos, combine the videos, just like that. So as you see here at the bottom, there is a video, there is photos that you can use to combine, and then you can also add a background music. Just click here on the audio, or if you already have a music inside of your computer, then you can upload it. This one, okay, just go there and upload it, and then what you're gonna do is just to drag it here.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Alright, so you can add a background music to create an engaging narrative. For example, like what I've showed you, you can share a story about memorable thing or about your childhood, you know, any experience. So use these visuals and text. You can also use nature scenes. Like for example, if you want to use nature scenes, just go ahead to videos there, and then just type here nature. All right, so now you can click the nature, and then you can, use this if this is what you want, okay, hold on, just like that. And then do your narration, go to 11 loves and type the text to speech, and then choose the voiceover that you want to narrate your story, things like that. Okay, so here is our last ideas. The number 5 idea is to text-based story. So you create a video, as you see on my screen. This is my podcast. I just create a video that uses text on the screen and tell a story accompanied by background music. You can put background music or sound effects if you want to. So for instance, you can write a fictional story, and where you're gonna get the fictional story, then you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a fictional story, like what kind of topic that you want, like for example about friendship, and then display the text while using some visuals. Like here's, I'm going to show you guys like this one.
Full step in this acceptance phase that the source highlights is affirming your worth.
Right,
Breakups can really do a number on your self-esteem.
Yeah, you can do this.
Tell me about it. It's so easy to fall into that trap of self-doubt.
Yeah, it's a podcast, but you can use 11 loves, like I've told you on our previous ideas. You can use the 11 loves to create a text to speech, and use the visuals like nature scenes, like what you see. I put some natures and I got that from Canva, and use some abstract animation to enhance the mood of your video. So these are the 5 ideas. There are more ideas, but this is just only a few of the ideas that I can share with you guys. So these formats allows you to convey powerful stories and connects with your audience without needing to appear your face on camera. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope this helps. Why don't you try, guys? Let me know if you try this, and if you have any question, please write down the comments and I will respond to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope this helped. For those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. For all my subscribers who supported me and we hit the 1K subscriber, thank you so much, and please keep supporting me, and I'm always here to help you guys. And if you have any question, just let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.